In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change prices on Shopify. Whether you're running a sale, updating your costs, or just fine-tuning your pricing strategy, knowing how to quickly and accurately change a product's price is essential. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be comfortable updating prices anytime you need to. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your store's main admin area. This is often called the Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, where you manage everything from products to orders and customers. If you're not already there, open your browser, log into Shopify, and you should land on this main dashboard page. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open a list of every product currently in your store. You can scroll through this list, or if you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the product you want to edit. Next, click on the specific product whose price you'd like to change. This will open the product details page. Here you'll see the title, description, images, and other information related to that product. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct item, especially if you have similar products with slightly different names. Now, scroll down just below the section with the title, description, and media. You'll see a section labeled Pricing, or simply Price. In this area, you'll find a field for the product's current price. Click into the price field and type in your new updated price. Make sure you enter the correct currency and double check the amount before moving on. You'll also see an optional field called Compare at Price. This is useful if you want to show customers that the item is on sale. For example, you could set the original higher price as the compare at price and your new lower price as the main price. Shopify will display this visually to your customers as a discounted item. Once you're happy with the new price settings, move to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. This is important. Your changes will not go live until you hit save. After saving,